day, everyone. So we are the group 4. So today's morning's our topic is all about earthquakes, weathering, and erosion and soil. So I am Dustin Nata.
I am Meili. I am Wendy Fabia. I am Camila Bauson.
So the first presenter is Meili.
First is what is an earthquake? An earthquake is a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust that creates seismic waves. Ang earthquake ay isang pagkalaw ng mga bato sa ilalim ng lupa. Nagaganap ito kapag ang mga bato ay biglang nababasag o gumagalaw dahil sa mga pwersa sa loob ng lupa. Next is what causes earthquakes. Most earthquakes occur due to the movement of tectonic plates, which are large pieces of the Earth's crust that beat together like a jigsaw puzzle. Next is historical earthquakes. Historical earthquakes is a list of significant earthquakes known to have occurred prior to the beginning of the 20th century. As the event listed here were in instrumental recordings, they rely mainly on the analysis of written sources or using stone, wooden poles, or vessels filled with water. There is often significant uncertainty in location and magnitude and sometimes date for each earthquake. The number of facilities is also highly uncertain, particularly for the older events. Next is plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is a scientific theory that explains how major landforms are created as a result of Earth's subterranean movements. The theory which solidified that theory in 1960s transformed the Earth sciences by explaining many phenomena including mountain building events, volcanoes, and earthquakes. Dito naman, ang plate tectonics daw ay isang scientifikong teorya na nagpapaliwanag kung paano nabuo ang mga pangunahin ng lupa dahil sa mga kilos sa ilalim ng lupa. Ang plate tectonics daw ay matatag noong dekada 1960 dahil dito nagbago daw ang mga paghahang ng lupa upang makabuo ng mga bundok, bulkan at next is types of faults. May tatlong uri ng faults, ang normal faults, reverse fault, at ang strike slip faults. Ang normal faults ay isang uri ng pagkabiyak ng lupa na karaniwang nauugnay sa paggalaw ng bahagi ng lupa ay gumagalaw pababa habang ang ibaba naman ay nananatiling hindi gumagalaw o nananatiling mas pababa. Ang reverse fault naman ay parang ganoon din sa normal faults. Isa siyang uri na pagkabiyak ng lupa na nagaganap kapag ang ibabaw ng bahagi ng lupa ay gumagalaw pataas o pabalik. Ang strike slip faults naman ay isang uri ng pagkabiyak ng lupa na magaganap kapag ang dalawang bahagi ng lupa ay gumalaw ng pahalaw, kaliwa sa ibabaw ng isa't isa. Ang strike slip faults, ito ay ang paggalaw ng lupa na nangyayari ng pahalaw kaliwa ng hindi gaanong pag-aral ng pagbaba. Next is seismic waves. Seismic waves. Seismic waves are the energy waves that radiate outward from an Earth's epicenter. Ito ay mga mangyayari talaga sa loob ng lupa ako may lindol. Ito ay may pagyanig o mga alon ng enerhiya na lalakay sa loob ng lupa. May dalawang types of seismic waves, ang primary waves at ang secondary waves. Ang primary waves naman ay mga kompresyonal na naglalakbay ng pinakamabilis, nagpapalawak at nagpapaspeed ng mga quartiles ng lupa. Ang secondary waves naman, ito ay nagaganap sa loob ng lupa kapag may lindol. Ang secondary waves ay hindi makakalabas sa likas ng likidong bahagi ng lupa tulad ng mantle core. Next is magnitude of an earthquake. Dito naman, ang bawat buong bilang ng pagtaas sa scale ay nagpapakita sa kumpes sa pagtaas sa lakas ng mga seismic waves. Ibig sabihin, kapag nagtaas ng isang buong bilang sa scale, ang amplitude ng mga seismic waves ay nagiging 10 beses na mas malaki. Next is seismometers. A seismometer is the internal part of the seismograph, which may be a pendulum or mass mounted on a string. However, it is often used mostly with seismograph. Seismographs are instruments used to record the motion of the ground during an earthquake. Next, meron tayong ground shaking tsunami landslide. Sa ground shaking naman, ito yung nag-cause sa mga buildings, nagpapulat siya. Parang ganyan. Sa tsunamis naman, underwater. Sa landslide, sa mga bundok, gano'n. Next is earthquake-induced fires. The earthquake caused the ground to shake, which can crack glass pipes and damage power lines, electric lighting, and household appliances is damaged at ignite fires. Example dito is yung para sa mga poste na may mga nakatayo. Poste na may mga wire na kuryente. Kapag palagtan nito, may chance na magkaroon ng sunog sa mga wire. Next is environmental impact. Earthquake environmental effects are the effects caused by an earthquake, including surface faulting, tsunamis, soil liquefaction, ground resonance, landslide, and ground failure, either directly linked to the earthquake source or provoked by ground shaking. Dito naman sa environmental impact, nangyayari dito is yung sa pagbubukan gano'n, nasisira yung mga, or nagsisitumba yung mga puno kapag nagkakaroon ng dito. Social impact, earthquakes are a type of disaster that can cause what are known as cascading events. Examples of cascading events with broken gas lines, wailing fires, loss of electricity, distributed goods, a transformation, landslide, ruptures, or any other secondary disaster caused and showered by the earthquake. Dito, katulad nun sa fire, parang nandun din. Kapag sa sino may mga poste, may posibility na kadamay ng ibang nasa paligid na. Next is prediction versus forecasting. Early warning is a notification that is used after an earthquake starts. Probabilities and forecasts are comparable to live probabilities and weather forecasts. While projections are more like a statement of when, where, and how large it is not yet possible for earthquakes. Sa prediction naman, parang ito yung akala nila ano na nila yung nangyayari. Gano'n na ano na nila lahat. Pero sa forecasting kasi, binabalita siya. Mitigation strategies. This mitigation effort should include securing heavy objects to walls and doors, such as shelves, bookcases, cabinets, and water heaters, placing large, heavy, or breakable objects on low shelves, hanging heavy items such as pictures and mirrors away from areas where people sit or gather together. Next is earthquake preparedness. Dapat, kapag alam natin may mga ganitong legal na nangyayari, kailangan maging ready tayo. At kailangan alam natin kung paano siya. Kung ano gagawin natin pag Next presenter, Justine.
Good day everyone, my name is Jasmine Nata and my topic is all about weathering. So what is weathering? So weathering is the process of disintegration and decomposition of rock, in general called weathering. So the control factors of weathering are composition and structure of rock, nature of ground slope, and underground water. So there are three types of weathering. The first one is physical weathering, chemical weathering, and biological weathering. So kapag sinabi natin physical weathering, also known as mechanical weathering, it is caused by the change of temperature due to expansion and contraction rocks break up. So, sa physical weathering happen due to the process of changing of temperature, freezing action of water, roots growing plants which disintegrate rocks. So, ito yung mga example ng physical weathering. Ito, dati buo to, tas nung physical weathering na, ito yung naging nangyari sa kanya, parang may buka siya sa gitna. So, sunod naman is chemical weathering. Decomposition and disintegration of rocks due to chemical reaction. Water causing a change in the chemical decomposition of rocks. So, ito naman yung chemical weathering. Yung, for example, umuulan siya, parang meron siyang bilog-bilog na parang ganito. So, there are types of chemical weathering. The first one is solution. So, solution refers to the dissolution of soluble particle minerals from the rocks. And yung pangalawa naman is oxidation. It is a reaction of an atmospheric oxygen to from oxidize. And the third one is carbonation. It is a reaction of carbonate or bicarbonation with minerals. And yung pang-apat naman is hydration. The process of hydration is related to the addition of water to the minerals. So, yung biological weathering is the action of plants and animals into breaking of rocks. Roots causing disintegration of rocks. The roots of the trees penetrate into the cracks of the rocks. So, ito yung mga example ng biological weathering. For example, yung mga bundok or yung mga bato, merong mga umusok na mga plants doon. So, ayun yung tinatawag natin biological weathering. So, there are types of biological weathering. The first one is burrowing animals, quarrying, and by human excreta. So, yun lang.
My name is Wendy and I will be discussing the erosion. So, what is erosion? Erosion is the movement of weather rocks and soil particles from one place to another. The importance of erosion in geology is that it is essential for shaping the Earth's surface and creating the diverse landscape we see today. The importance of erosion in environment is that it helps feed water sources with essential nutrients, helping the local aquatic ecosystem. There are 5 agents of erosion: gravity, glaciers, wind, water, and waves. The first one is the gravity. Erosion caused by gravity is called mass wasting. There are 3 types of gravity: mass wasting, landscape, which is tumbling of dry soil and rock, downhill. The second one is slump, where a huge block of rocks slide rapidly down an incline. The third one is the mud flow, where the rain mixes with the soil to form mud which moves downhill. Slow mass wasting. There are types of slow mass wasting. The first one is the plate, where soil particles move slowly downhill. This is the slowest. The second one is the earth flow, where mass of soil and plant life begin to slowly move downhill after Glaciers also move rocks by abrasions. When rocks are loosened and moved by the glaciers, causing scratches on the bedrock. The third one is the wind. Wind moves soil by deflation, where wind removes loose materials from the land. Water. Running water is the major cause of erosion. Water picks up and carries loose particles of the soil as it moves downhill. Water is stored in tiny grooves called rivers. Mills become wider and deeper called gullies. Gullies turn into a stream. This is the gullies and this is the stream. Stream which turns into river. As you can see in the picture, this is the river. Waves. Waves can carry on rocks and